Good evening, guys. It is the end of a very long out and about shoot day in town. I am extremely tired, but it is Rudy's birthday tomorrow. He's going to be turning 4. I cannot believe my baby is going to be 4. It's so crazy. He's just gone to sleep. Is he asleep?
Yeah, go and get.
So it's all go, go, go. We are setting up for the birthday morning. So from the loft, we need the paper chain. The long paper chain.
Oh, wait, let me go next.
All his presents. I think that might be it, but I'll go up and check. Okay, I've got tablecloth from Asda. Very nice, happy star. I've seen, I think it was Kate Levy or someone, quite a few people online do this where they put out cuddly toys and they have these little party hats for them, which is so cute. I've never done it before. I feel like this is the first birthday I've really been able to actually get my head around. I feel sorry for Gray for her fourth birthday, maybe even her 5th. I had Rudy, who was a baby, so I couldn't really do this. But now that they're both at kind of an age where I feel like I've got a bit more headspace, I could put a bit more thought into it. And obviously these things we can reuse every year. Look how cute this is. You can put a little party hat. Wait, let's get this on this little doggy. Pop it under his chin. You okay? Oh my god, so cute. And if they're all lined up on the table, Rudy is gonna absolutely love this. So let's do that for all of the cuddlies. We've got an otter. Cute. Otter's quite tricky to stand up. Bill and Janet, obviously gonna need party hats. Key party guests. Oh no, Janet hasn't got a chin. Neither does Bill. Oh, perfect. Yes, Bill. Octopus, not much of a chin either. This is an issue I hadn't really thought about, if I'm honest. Poor octopus. I've kind of squidged his head, but that'll do. Bunny. And finally, penguin. Very special toy that my auntie, who is no longer with us, got for Rudy's first Christmas just before she died. Oh, cute. Cannot cope with these guys. Too adorable. Got a happy birthday banner again. Always wanted one of these, never got around to it. Hopefully we can reuse it for both of their birthdays for years to come. That is the plan. I'm pretty sure these ones are reusable. They come with a little straw to blow it up. Oh god, it needs to all be on the fishing line. This is gonna be fiddly. Guys, this is long. Kind of got the hang of it, but not gonna lie. Rich is on balloon blowing up duty. So the floor will be filled with multicoloured balloons. He's looking for we have this machine that blows up balloons. It's just so annoyingly loud, so I hate using it, but. Okay, the happy is going up. Let me get you some scissors to cut that. Oh my god, I love it. It's so colourful. Went round, not, went round, not, went round, not. I hope this is long enough for the birthday. Time to put up the paper chain. Got these little command strips and tiny little hooks, and I've put elastic, I don't know if I'm doing it the right way, I put elastic around the edge. Can you cut that, please? I haven't got any string, otherwise I do string. Cut that there, and then loop it through the end of the paper chain and cut a double knot.
Sorry, say that again. What?
See how I've done it? Just loop it around the end of the paper
At the
chain.
very end.
My favourite thing about kids' birthdays is that they don't remember it. He'll never remember this when he's older, but I will film it. And I feel like it shapes their personality. I love this. I wish we'd got it years ago.
It should be reusable.
It is reusable. You deflate them, then you can blow them up again.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
So now I want the middle. I don't know how we do this, we need a ladder. I would like the middle to go on the ceiling.
Can you put it on that hook the
If I do
skylight?
another one there,
On
that's
the-
quite cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Does it? Or do we need to do like that? So it's Okay guys, we got distracted because our friends FaceTimed us, but it's done. Look how good. So we've got the happy birthday banner, the bunting that I made, the star garland, and all his little buddies in their party hats, his presents, loads of balloons on the floor, and a number 4 balloon. So cute. He's gonna love it. Good morning, guys. Rudy's birthday, which was yesterday, was so cute. He loved the decorations. He was so excited. I mean, Gray woke up so early. She was beyond excited. She woke up about 4 a.m. It was ridiculous. And then when Rudy woke up, she was like, Rudy, it's your birthday. And he was like, is it? So Silly, having an older sibling. It was very cute, came downstairs, he was so excited, he opened his presents within about 0.5 seconds. And yeah, he wore his birthday badge all day, he was telling everyone it was his birthday, we had cake and presents and pizza in the afternoon, and now it's kind of like a normal work day, and then tomorrow's Richard's birthday, and then Saturday's the party. So we're just having like a slight rest, normal day, back into routine, getting some work done. I'm actually announcing my Foggy Mornings event this morning, which I'm incredibly nervous about for so many different reasons, but it's also really small and intimate, and I don't want to like disappoint loads of people. But then also part of me thinks like, what if no one actually wants to come? Am I nervous that no one's going to come? Am I nervous that too many people are going to want to come? I don't know. I've never, like I said before, I've never done an event like on my own, but I'm really excited about it. Oh, I need a stretch. I had such a horrible dream last night. Oh, Richard didn't tell you. I had a horrible dream. You know, when you wake up in the morning and you just don't even know if it's real or not, and it's just, oof. Horrible. So I need to get that out of my head. Guys, I'm posting the event in like 10 minutes and I've just got such like a nervous energy. I need to do something to distract myself. So I'm just going to carry on with the vlog. But I am so excited that I have a paid for integration today with a brand I have always wanted to work with. You guys know I've been through like a huge change when it comes to my wardrobe, my style. Since having my color analysis done, I am embracing so much more color and print into my life. And one of my go-to brands for this, for both adults and kids, is Boden. Oh my God, I'm so excited for this. They have sent me a massive box of stuff and a little bit of a preview for one of their new knits called the Lucy knit. I think I've got 2 in here. I'm going to try them on, show you how they look on me, how I would style them up. And I think there's a few other bits as well to unbox. I cannot wait. Okay, let's open this box and see what is inside. Oh my God. We've got some jeans, we've got an accessory, and we've got 2 very good looking Lucy knits. These are the wide leg jeans in a blue denim. We've got a red and pink neck scarf. I love these for adding a pop of colour to like a boring outfit. Ooh, these look good. These are like a barrel leg jean in a kind of camely colour. Those would be really handy for pairing with like a bright coloured knit. Okay, here's the Lucy knit in all its glory. They've sent me 2. So one in the cream and red stripe. This is like the candy cane jumper of dreams. And then one in navy and this kind of camely colour. Okay, I'm desperate to try all of these on. Okay, the event sold out in 3 minutes. We're good. I'm very excited about it. Okay, I want to try on these barrel leg jeans because I don't have anything like this and I'm intrigued to see what they look like. I've repositioned the camera so hopefully you can see everything, but I like those. I feel like I would get quite a lot of use out of those just because, like I said, the colour would go really nice with like a bright colour. It goes really nicely with this burgundy. I like a barrel leg with a chunky trainer or with like a ballet flat. It's like one extreme or the other. I don't like them with like a low trainer, but those fit really nicely. Happy with those. Let's try on one of the Lucy knits. It looks so nice. Like I said, this one really reminds me of like a candy cane. They're 100% cotton. They're like heavy in a nice way. They've got a good weight to them. And it looks like it's quite a long length, which I know a lot of people quite like. Okay, I've just popped it on. Oh my God, it's so comfortable. It's got a slight drop shoulder. Like I said, it's got a really nice weight to it. I've popped on some straight leg jeans because it is slightly longer in length. I feel like it will work better with a straight leg than like a wider leg that's too heavy at the bottom. I'm going to pop on some brown boots. I feel like a leather jacket would really make the stripe on this like pop. I'm going to try it on. Oh, this is feeling like a very like Christmassy outfit. Okay, I'm hoping you can see me full length, but I really like this. I love how like the hardness of a leather jacket goes with the softness of the jumper. It makes the red and white stripe really pop. Straight leg jean, brown boot. I feel like some cute gloves would look good. The length of the jumper is so good and I like how it kind of matches the jacket, and you can have a little bit of the sleeve popping out as well. I really like how the end of the sleeve is a red, so you can just have a little bit of the red popping out. Let me show you another close-up of the jumper on its own. This is what it looks like. I'll do a little spin for you. Oh my God, it's so cozy. I don't want to take this off. I really like the red and white with a blue denim as well. I think that's just a really like classic pairing. Feels festive in like a chic way. Okay, let's try on the navy and the camel. I really love the color pairing on this one. And I just think navy, for me, navy is such a good color. It's so easy to pair with things, like easier than a black. Navy goes really nicely with color. Okay, here's the navy and the camel jumper. I love the color of this one so much. I feel like this one will be really popular. This will work all year round. You can definitely like smarten it up or wear it more casual, depending on what you like pair it with. I've popped this on with a pair of navy trousers. Let me change the setup so I can show you the full outfit. So I've got navy trousers trousers and a pop of red with my trainers. And then I feel like this would go really nicely with a trench coat because it has that kind of camel in the stripe. Yeah, I really like that with the camel trench coat and just the stripes popping through. Stripes are just such a classic. I love a striped knit. A red bag would be nice as well because of the red trainer. This is such an easy, everyday wearable outfit. Let me show you from this angle how nice it looks with the striped knit showing underneath the trench. Let's try the little neck scarf to see how that looks. These little scarves are so good for just adding a little pop of colour to your outfit. I really like how this one has red and pink in it. So cute. The jeans are a little bit too big for me, which is actually really impressive because I sized down to a 29 waist thinking they'd be too small, but they've actually got a really, really good stretch to them. Like if you're looking for a very comfortable stretchy jean, the wide leg jeans are super comfortable, but I think I would need to size down again to a 28. So they're very forgiving, but they're really comfortable and a really nice shape as well. Just like a very good classic standard wide leg jean. Guys, I'm in love with the Boden Lucy knit, and it doesn't just come in these two colours, there are other colours as well. It's available for collection from the 2nd of December, so I'm chuffed to have had like early access to try this on and show you guys. I'll pop the links and everything you need to know down below in the description box. And thank you, Boden, for sponsoring the video. That was so fun. What a great delivery. Good morning. Today it is Rich's birthday. How old are you? 38. How grown up?
I keep calling him 83.
83?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Stop.
He's definitely not 83. Rich has just left. He's gone to a Barry's boot camp in town because that is what he wants to do on his birthday. He said he wants to do a workout class and get a nice drink afterwards. And I'm going to take the kids to school and then jump on the tube and go and meet him. And we're going to have a nice day together and just mooching about town. We haven't got any plans. We just want to be free, be spontaneous.
It's Rudy's haircut today.
Yeah, Rudy's having a haircut with my mum.
We've measured him and Mummy.
Yeah.
Mummy.
Wait, who got the butter?
The measuring thing in my room.
Yeah.
I did it.
Yeah. Oh, did you?
That's what I wanted.
Oh, sorry. I thought Daddy did it. That's alright. I can redo it. So yeah, we're gonna go. Gosh. Are you okay? Careful. Right guys, me and Rich have been walking around town for his birthday. It's so nice. It's crisp, cold, but sunny weather. Perfect for this kind of day. Rich has been doing some shopping, Rich has been mooching, and now we're going to head to Marylebone High Street because ever since my video with Joe, Rich is like, I want to try Paul Roth and Sons, and I want to go back and like really enjoy it and not be like interviewing someone at the same time. So we're going to head there. I kind of want like soup and a sandwich. Oh, I just want everything. Have a little walk around Marylebone High Street, maybe head to Selfridges. Rich started his birthday with the Barry's boot camp. Yeah. That's all he wanted. He was like, I just want to go, I don't want to do the school run, I want to go to Barry's boot camp and get a shake afterwards. How was it?
It was intense.
So intense. He said at one point they just turned the lights off and it was pitch black.
Yeah, it's called the red room, so it goes dark, all red lights. You can't really see much. So I don't really know what I did, but I got a free shake at the end, which is
it's the least they could give you after you, like, they tortured you. Like, someone messaged, they were like, oh, I hope you have a nice birthday, Rich. I was like, he's having a great time. He's currently in a really hot, sweaty room being screamed at and tortured.
Yeah.
Not my vibe. Not for me. I'm getting very hungry now. We walked past Lena stores and just couldn't resist, so we're going to have to do Paul Roth and Sons another day because we just thought actually a bowl of pasta and a glass of wine sounds perfect. So I'm going to order the truffle pasta. Rich is going to get the chicken bolognese. We're going to share. Cheers, happy birthday.
Cheers.
38. Okay, that's the truffle spaghetti and the fried artichoke. This is the chicken Milanese. Oh my god, it's all so delicious. Guys, we're just in Selfridges and they have these advent calendars. Look, the Little People Big Dreams advent calendar, which Gray would love. And then they've also got the Gruffalo and Friends advent calendar. So they're mini books.
Probably just
That's
got all the books.
so cute. Does he actually have... Oh, is it puzzle?
Colouring, drawing, puzzles and games. Countdown's Christmas Fest. 24 mini books based on best.
I mean, we could just get the Little People Big Dreams one and they share. Because eventually he's going to read them too. He likes them too. He's got the Elton John one.
Yeah.
Should we get that? Yeah. They've got 3 advent calendars now. I think we should also just get some Christmas books because I'm already bored of the ones that we've got. Oh my god, the Jolly Chris the Jolly Postman. Do you remember that? Oh my God, don't they have little... Oh my God, I really remember this as a kid. They've got little things that you post. We are tired. We've done a lot of walking. Oh my God, I thought you forgot to get your coat for a minute, but you got your coat. We've got ourselves a Genki matcha. Vanilla and sea salt, delicious. I'm just having to sit down while Rich tries on some shoes. And then we need to head back soon to get Bro. It's been a successful day. Got myself some Skims pyjamas as a birthday present from Rich. Although I then saw the men's department had way better colour options. They had like a brown and something else, whereas women just had grey, black or white. But I do still really love them. They were so soft. Okay, we are back from our day in town. It was so nice. My feet are killing me from all the walking, but honestly it was just so lovely. Rich bought me some PJs for my birthday that I can't wait to get, and he got loads of nice clothes and it was great. I now need to do Rudy's birthday cake for his party tomorrow. He's over there watching TV, so there is a risk he might come and see the cake, but there's nothing else I can do because Rich has taken Gray to her drama class and whatever. Now's the only time I can do it. So let's just start and see how I get on. I got the M&S naked chocolate cake, the same as last year. So it's just a plain chocolate cake that feeds like 23 people or something. And then I got the red and green Smarties. I think instead of just placing them flat, I'm going to try and place them upwards and in some kind of like spiral shape. I think that could be cool. I've got red laces to go around the edge. The superhero cake topper from Etsy. I'm gonna wash my hands. Maybe I should take this off. That looks so good. I'm so glad I did it in the twirly pattern, like more upright. I think it looks so good. Let's just see if... Okay, I'm gonna need to cut these in half. Are you actually joking? I had 3 packs of laces. I've done the whole cake and then I ran out. Are you serious right now? It's looking good though. It definitely would look neater if I'd been able to cut them all the same length, which for some reason I couldn't. Maybe I'll see if I can use scissors to cut a few of the longer ones down. I think it looks quite good. I don't know, it's a bit random. Okay, Rudy, if you want to see it, if you're sure you don't want it to be a surprise, you can come and see it. You've got to tell me what you think.
I love it.
Oh, you love it? Good. It's got superheroes. Who can you see on there?
Spider-Man and Hulk and Captain America and Iron Man.
Yeah, and it's got sweeties. No, don't touch. Smarties. What number candle is that?
4.
Well done, and I'm going to put 4 candles as well. Okay, I think that got the seal of approval. I was going to keep it as a surprise, but it's all a bit overwhelming when you're actually at the party. You see it for like a second and then you cut it up and no one even sees it. So actually I think that was a good idea. I'm happy with that for a cake that people see for 3 seconds before they cut it up and eat it. All right, guys, I'm going to Right, guys, I'm going to finish this up. Going to do kids' bath and bed. Going to have takeaway for Rich's birthday. And then tomorrow is party time. So I'm going to wrap up the vlog here. Thank you for watching. I will link everything down below in the description box that I mentioned, including the gorgeous Lucy knit from Boden. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.